In April 2026, Sun Pharma signed a deal to acquire US-based Organon for $11.75 billion. It is the largest overseas buyout by an Indian company since 2007. Sun Pharma is already India's most valuable drug maker. They built this empire primarily by manufacturing generic medicines, producing the cost-effective, off-patent drugs that fill billions of pills in pharmacy aisles worldwide. But the business of supplying basic generics comes with a structural trap. While these medicines are vital for global healthcare, the market is crowded, competition is fierce, and the profit margins are notoriously thin. To escape this low-margin cycle, Executive Chairman Dilip Shanghvi set a new mandate. Sun Pharma had to move into high-margin, innovative research and complex biosimilars, which are advanced drugs made from living cells rather than simple chemicals. Developing these complex biological drugs and the necessary research pipelines from scratch often takes decades of trial, error, and clinical testing. What Sun Pharma did have, however, was a pristine balance sheet holding a massive $3.2 billion cash surplus. Instead of spending the next 20 years trying to build a biological research division, Sun decided to use that cash arsenal to buy an immediate shortcut. That shortcut was Organon, a US-based healthcare company spun off from Merck in 2021 that held the exact assets Sun Pharma lacked. Organon came with a ready-made portfolio of over 70 products. This included a globally established women's health franchise, alongside a mature pipeline of those specialized biosimilars. Organon carried a towering $8.6 billion debt load. Sun agreed to pay $14 a share, a $4.5 billion all-cash payout for equity. By absorbing the debt, the true enterprise valuation totals $11.75 billion. By leaning on its own massive cash reserves and unutilized credit lines, Sun Pharma could safely swallow a financial burden that would have easily crushed a weaker buyer. The buyout also delivered immediate physical scale. Overnight, Sun Pharma acquired 6 major manufacturing facilities spread across the European Union and emerging markets. Along with the factories, Organon brought pre-existing commercial networks and regulatory approvals spanning 140 different countries. Securing local operating licenses and building distribution chains country by country takes years. This acquisition allowed Sun to bypass that slow, organic growth process entirely. These physical assets instantly upgraded Sun Pharma's operational capacity, turning a dominant regional generic supplier into a global player with immediate worldwide distribution. This is a chart showing the combined financial scale of the two companies. By absorbing Organon, Sun Pharma's annual revenue skyrockets to $12.4 billion. Zooming out to the broader market, this combined revenue elevates Sun Pharma into the top 25 largest pharmaceutical companies on Earth. Their positioning within specific medical sectors shifts as well. They are now a top 3 company in the global women's health market, and in the highly competitive space of complex medicines, Sun instantly becomes the 7th largest biosimilars player in the world. This portfolio upgrade shifts the company's revenue balance, with innovative research products now accounting for 27% of their total business. They are no longer wholly reliant on the volume-driven trade of simple chemical generics. Historically, the Indian pharmaceutical industry earned the title the pharmacy of the world by efficiently mass-producing cheap, off-patent medications. This megadeal signals an evolution in that strategy. An Indian giant is now weaponizing its cash surplus to acquire Western innovators outright, securing a place at the edge of global medical research.